When I walk through the waters deep and wide, and the waves of fear begin to rise,
I will not be shaken, I will not fall,
for I hear your voice above it all.
You are with me in the waters, you are with me in the flame, even in the deepest valley, I will call upon your name.
When the fire surrounds my weary soul,